Sorry, sorry to bother you.
Wow, that went up in flames, baby.
Did it?
Crossover blew up. So that's that. Are you filming? Okay.
I am.
It's not that part. That's the bad part.
What part's the bad part? Is that Denny's? No, they belong to the X, our medieval time. Holy shit. Yeah, that was probably on fire, right?
Yep, that's a capacitor.
Or was.
Yes, was. Yes. Those are fuses that are wood. Probably pretty good. They probably work fairly well because the tweeter's actually still okay. Yeah, they look like they're alright. So the resistor that, so choke,
Yeah.
resistor, capacitor for the for the low pass of the choke, and then the loading choke, it goes on fire. This thing, I don't think this is, might have some life left in it, but boy, it was hot because I usually don't undo the clips for the.
Well, and this stuff can take some heat too.
Yeah,
Like that was probably actually on fire.
Well, I'm sure it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty stinky.
Yeah, I know. When it came in, I could smell that it.
Had a toaster effect.
Yeah, it's like it had obviously been burnt up.
So we ended up replacing the crossover as well as reconing the woofer. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you have any cabinets that need some repair, bring them in. We're located at 4 Jim Wilson Lane in Toronto, Ontario, and we're open from Tuesday to Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturdays from noon till 4.